Hey class, here are some quick instructions for your upcoming exam. So that is going to be opening next Monday, and then will be open for an entire week. You folks can take it at any point during that week. Okay. What I don't want you to do is to click on the exam and go into it, because you can only go into it once, and if you end up blowing that beforehand, you're not going to be able to get into the exam. So go ahead and click on the exam instructions. Okay, that's where this is going to reside anyway. Actually, I might have it in a page before that. Watch this before you do anything, kind of thing. So here are my exam instructions. So as I say, read this. Do not try to open the exam until you are ready to take it. So the exam is going to be open from October 19th to the 26th. You can take it any time between those dates, as I said, any day, any time, really, 24 hours. I think it closes on midnight of the 26th, so 26th going into the 27th. It consists of matching, definition, and short answer questions, and it's worth 75 points total. So it's an open note test, and you will have 3 hours to complete it once you open it. Those of you who are getting additional time, you will have that as well. The reason it's an open note test is because there really isn't any way for me to stop you folks from using your notes. So go ahead, you're free to do it. The one thing that I will be watching for is that if, say, there are 3 of you and you are all taking it together using your phones or your computers or sitting next to each other and you're all answering it the same way, I will know this. It's really, really easy for me to tell. So I want you folks not to do that. You need to take this on your own. Your computer, your notes, you take it. Don't be on the phone with your best friend giving each other tips on how to do stuff. Because I'll be able to figure it out. And what will happen is if you do that with one other person, then you folks split the grade 50-50. If you do it with 2 other people, you're going to be each getting a third of the grade of your exam. And you don't want to do that, okay? This is a layup for you folks. It's not going to be a difficult exam, and you should be able to do this pretty well. Boost up your grades, 100% success for everybody in the class. That's my goal, okay? Now, after the exam closes, the correct answers for the matching questions will show up, and then I will manually grade the rest. And you can expect those 1 to 2 weeks after the exam closes, depending on like the glut of other classes I have and exams I'm grading. But ultimately, you will have all the correct answers, so you can check yours against that. But it won't allow you to go back and look at that until the 26th, after everyone has taken the exam, for obvious reasons. Okay. Anyway, good luck on this. Finish up your lesson this week, the module 7, and then go into module 8 and take the exam. And then when you come out on the other side, we'll be doing our group projects, not group projects, but creative projects, which used to be group projects, but it's harder to do in this COVID environment. And then we'll be jumping into sci-fi after that.